manje ngaphandela sixoxa ngisafuna wesifike sithi halamisa indaba zethu sobabili wesezi nangu nolokunayo ethamba nalo manje
Ngomthengela.
ha
Unike bhuti.
alright ngizaqala sithenga amasi la wesezi nazi indaba ikutshuka ubusizwe zingaweke yimi senkingeni manje lapho wesezi kuthiwa nje hayi uyitshwele ntombi
Lutho bayangisukela ngizazi lezo zinto mina.
kodwa wesezi bese ngiyibuza namthe
Angazi phela mina. Bakuthatha sithi ke bayitshela nanga ngiyamdamba lapha bathi ngikhuleka.
nomntambela yababasi
Uyakwazi nje. Ho.
kuthiwa yimi ntombi engikhulisile
Bakudala na bhuti awazi lutho.
lapha
Awuzinhlanga unganaki.
Wesezi,
Isimo imasesinjena unganaki.
vela abantu bayafunda
Mayathanda ukukhuluma izinto abangazazi.
mina sengisona le COVID-19 umjovo ugcwele emakhanda bayahlanje bengazoswela wesizazi ngazobahleka
Hey, umuntu aqambela ngishaya ngingayenza into. Athi nje ukhulelwe wena sibanibani ukuthi lokho mina
uyidlela izo lusuthi impambana hey besimataka yakhe nesisu phela ngathi kubonile nje
bangenalutho nje.
wesizwe
Buka. Hey,
wesizwe yabona
uyakutshela.
sengithuke ngathuka mina wathi
Yabo, kuyeke nje lokho konungisa umnikweni lo.
alright uya umkhonyana ungena kofanele impela elithulu udabe bathi cha lo muntu akakhulele kodwa ngoba nawe usushilo ngani yabothi ngiyabonga
Ngeke ke ngikhulumela anginyazi nje nishinishi mina.
wesizwe
Ukuthi umuntu ukhulelwa makunjani. Ngoba phela ngilanda abafana nje mina ke. Mina ke.
Thobo. Ungazovela ufana amathanga. Ungazovela ufana amathanga.
So ngara khanya ngiphulela nginadaba ngiphulela into yami.
Elobolile. Uvela usele lo Scotland.
Yo guys, moledi namkelekile nonke kwezichisa be entertainment kodwa guys social media guys how can you ruin our reputation like that as ama bloggers naze nasihlebisa amanga but ndiyabona ba we are not the only ones khona nabathi bese sichona semsebenzini ke guys emsebenzi apho sisebenza khona uMadlamini is pregnant. Hi Sana, yo, but we are so relieved that she is not pregnant and she is very well aware that yena akafuni ukulala nabafana but ke obviously ke bebebaninzi abantu izolo bebethuka abafana besithi abafana izinja abafana warawara yay yaninzi into guys kwathiwa makathathwe uMadlamini ayofihlwa enzele umntana ezokwazi uthathwa zi-social workers when she has given birth yaninzi into guys ngoMadlamini sa 100% sure into ba everything thina esiyaziyo okanye that we have thought of it's 100% correct nomfana ke ebeshutha naye shame he did catch fire people were saying he needs to be taken in for questioning into ba akalalanga na noMadlamini he was the number one suspect you guys but anyways ke abantu are 100% relieved and they are so happy that uMadlamini is not pregnant and uyazihlonipha uyathuba no ring no opening of the legs you understand so yeah guys Sana uMadlamini is one high value woman here in South Africa if imali ayikho if ring ayikho ufuna ntoni kuye Sana ufuna ntoni now people are saying because unxibe la jacket yasePep but I guess Sana Madlamini sizothi sebenza ePep ke ngoku emsebenzini so we gonna try and change the topic you understand but here ke guys people are just relieved. I just wanted to also give you guys an update because I think I was one of the very few YouTubers who reported on this matter. What are your thoughts, guys? Thank you so much for joining me. This one shortly. Bye guys.